Wow, look at our cinnamon rolls. Welcome to another episode of Adventure Bake Lab. Today, we're going to make cinnamon rolls. Are you excited?
I take my tongue out.
You hungry?
Yeah.
First, we need 3 cups flour,
My flour. My head.
1.5 tablespoons baking powder,
My head. Whoa.
3/4 teaspoons baking soda,
Oh, make a mess. Oh, no. Oh, no, make a mess. I make a mess.
1 teaspoon salt. Now we have to mix all the dry ingredients.
Oh.
1.5 cups Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons melted butter,
Hot. It's hot.
3 tablespoons syrup, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract. Okay. Now that we have the dough prepared, we need to make the filling. For the filling, we need 1/2 cup brown sugar. Good. 6 tablespoons softened butter, 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Now we need to mix. Isabel, stop eating all the brown sugar.
I need all the brown sugar.
You eat a lot of brown sugar.
I'm not eating all it. It's a ball.
It's a ball. We need to roll the dough into a rectangular shape, okay?
Why?
So that we can roll it into cinnamon rolls.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
Isabel, no.
Ah, the hole.
You made a hole in it.
Oh, no.
Isabel, don't make holes. Isabel, no. Isabel, stop. Stop. Isabel, stop. No. No, Isabel, stop. We're almost done. Isabel, we're almost done. Isabel, no. Isabel, we're almost done. Now that we've rolled the dough, we're going to make it into a nice rectangle, okay? Now that we have the dough cut into a nice rectangular shape, we'll spread the filling across the top. You just go like this. We're going to spread it evenly across the entire top.
You having fun, Dada?
I'm having fun. Are you having fun, Isabel? Are you having a lot of fun?
Yeah. You having fun, Dada, too?
Yes.
Okay.
Now that we spread the filling evenly across the top, we need to cut it into even strips. Now we've cut them into 10 even strips. We need to roll them, okay? Okay. Good job. You're doing it all by yourself. What are you doing?
Oh.
Oh, it's okay. Good job. Good job. You did that one all by yourself? Good job, Isabel.
I said good job, Dada.
Good job, Isabel.
I said good job. Isabel.
Good job, Isabel. Wow, that one looks really good. Wow, good job, Isabel. Good job. We did all 10. Good. Now we have all 10 cinnamon rolls rolled. Next, we need to bake them in the oven for between 22 and 26 minutes. Are you ready to eat the cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
Wow, look at our cinnamon rolls.
This one broke. Yum, yum.
Which one do you want?
This one.
You want this one? This is really good. This was another successful adventure from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.